How to find registration date in Mobile Legends. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So there are various ways to do it. The first thing that you can do is open up your Gmail account that you used while registration and simply search for various terms like Mobile Legend, Moonton or some other keywords that are possible and search for that particular email that you just got while registration, and after that you would be able to know the date. The second way is that you open up the screenshots of your phone in case if you took any screenshot from that day, and even if you know the hero or the season at that particular time, you would be able to find out the registration date. Also, you can go with the download sections and check out the date of download for the Mobile Legends, and you would be able to know that as well. The other way is that open up the Google Games, and under the Google Achievements, you would be able to find the first achievement you got while registering for Mobile Legends, and this is one of the way. The last way is to find it out using Facebook. If you connected your Mobile Legends to Facebook, simply open up your Facebook, go to the settings and privacy. There you would be able to find the option of settings. Simply click on it, then select the option of apps and websites, and there you would be able to find the option of the date for Mobile Legends, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.